This is SpeechBrain, an open-source PyTorch native toolkit that lets us build and ship speech AI features using pre-trained models. From things like noise removal, speaker verification, and ASR. No training and no fine-tuning. Some quick audio verification here. You're probably expecting some better audio. Well, yes, that does happen naturally here. According to this, I'm not the same person, and that's because I'm using a voice transformer in the second clip. So voice verification does work. Now let's see what else this can do. We have videos coming out all the time. Be sure to subscribe. Quick breakdown before I run the first few demos. SpeechBrain has ASR enhancement, separation, speaker ID, TTS, really just the whole stack. And here's the part that matters if you actually build stuff. 9,000 plus GitHub stars, tight Hugging Face integration, one line install, and loading a model is a few more. This is built for people who want to ship faster, not waste time reading docs. So here's the starting code I expanded on to get this running. And a lot of the code I did find on the documentation site themselves. I chose to use Gradio for this to build out the UI. Gradio is just a Python ML app library that works really well for this kind of stuff. Okay, this part looks fake if you haven't seen it. Most enhancement demos cheat with perfect audio. I'm going to do the opposite here. I'm going to blast some background noise right now, mostly just music. Here we go. I'm talking normally, recording myself speaking over this music. Here's the raw audio. Yeah, it sounds pretty bad. Now watch the enhanced output. I'm talking normally. Same voice, noise stripped out, no post-processing hacks. And here's the takeaway. This runs in seconds. Drop it into call apps, podcast cleanups, edge devices, anything with a mic and bad acoustics. The code, load the model, call enhanced batch, that's it. But the docs were honestly a bit rough, so I had to expand the code out to work better as I'm on a Mac. It kept running into some issues. Next up, we have speaker verification, which I did touch on at the start here. And just to set expectations, people hear voice off and assume it's complicated. Newsflash, it's actually not, at least not with this. I'm going to enroll my voice here. Hey, this is my voice. That was on the first recording. Then I'm going to do the same thing again on the second here. Hey, this is my voice. Now verify, same speaker. The score's high. The match confirmed that. We have that score, we have that ranking in the output. If I do a double take without using a voice transformer, let's see how this is now. What did you have for breakfast? Okay, now let me change the tone. Don't laugh at me too much here. What did you have for breakfast? The Similarity score tanks a little more, but it still outputs that I am the same speaker indeed. This is pre-trained on Vox Celeb. Again, quick with the voice transformer here. This is my normal voice. Now if I switch on my voice transformer, this is my normal voice. Just to play it back for you guys, the second clip sounds a little bit like this.
This is my normal voice.
All right, that's a bit rough, right? You can hear that transformer. So yeah, they do not match at all, and this does check out here in the output. So if you're building voice off multi-user apps or anything that needs who's talking answered, this is exactly for that. In my final demo here, yeah, this is meant to be the backbone, the live transcription. ASR demos usually sound impressive until you try with this speech. Now, I'm just going to talk normally. This feature doesn't work that well, actually, and the documentation didn't help much, so I don't know how I actually feel about this. This honestly just feels like normal speech to text. It should have auto-subscribed, but ran into countless issues, and it doesn't even do that. So yes, it does transcribe, but so do other countless libraries. This feature here wasn't impressive, at least for me getting it to auto-transcribe, it just didn't work. So there are some really cool things here, right? We saw the voice verification, the noise background cancellation, but certain things are just not tweaked yet. That's really SpeechBrain wrapped up. Overall, it's still fast, it's still open, it's still built for developers. You guys can check it out for yourselves. I put the links in the description, and we will see you guys in another video.